Never a dull moment at the rental. Alex and I put these new whirlpools in. Probably worth $1,200, but we've got them for $200 delivered. Wheeling and dealing on Facebook Marketplace. That was a mess, but now I'm into another mess. Whoops, this is my work area. Let me go upstairs and I'll show you what we're talking about here. Alright, apologize. Trying to put my badge away. Okay, so let's see what I'm dealing with here. So the fridge was making noise, and probably I had to take the fan out. The fan was making a lot of noise. I thought it was just a little dirty, and it is dirty, but that wasn't the problem. It was making thought it was rubbing on something, or I thought it was a loose mechanism there. But now I just think that this fan creeped up on the shaft and it caused it to wobble because it was at the end of the shaft, and all I did is I took it out. I didn't know I needed it. It took a lot of work to take it out, and I just simply did this, pushed it back. If you'll see, this fan goes all the way back there. I don't think it needs to go back that far, but I am going to tuck it in. I think it worked its way all the way to the tip and did a speed wobble. So I'm going to bring it up a little bit more and then reinstall it. But while I'm here, I'm going to clean it and vacuum it and get them back up running. But that was a lot of work I didn't need to do. If I had known, I'd have just cinched it back. And yeah, that wasn't going to come undone because this doesn't come out. If you can see, that fan blows all along this, and this coil is probably filled with Freon or oil or something that goes to this. Oh no, this is with Freon. This is probably oil to this. I forget what that was called. That's called something, but it's like a compressor. And it spins in there, and it pumps this fluid around here, and this fan cools that fluid and allows this to buzz forever. So, son of a bitch. Did I break anything? Nope, I didn't. Good. Alright, well, let me clean this mess up. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so I adjusted that. I put the fan in, and it should run. So this is what I was saying. All I needed to do, instead of taking this whole thing off, I vacuumed it anyway and learned a little something, is to push this back. I thought it was a bad fan motor. I thought it was like off center, wobbling like that. But really this, being way over here, caused it to wobble. But back closer to the base, it shouldn't wobble. So let's just hook some things up. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to hook this wire up to here. That hooks in there. That hooked in there. I'll hook that in a minute. So I basically just attached, the fan motor to the power. This appears to be to probably an ice maker. And this is the main power coming in. Goes into this, goes to all these crazy wires for the complexity of the electronics on this thing. So anyway, let's plug it in, and this fan should run and shouldn't wobble and make this crazy noise. I thought it was the dirt making it wobble, but Nope. There we go. Wasn't the dirt. It was the fact that the fan was wobbling too much. It is wobbling decently here. Makes a little bit of a noise. But I've got it close to the base there. It's going to be a little quieter. I'm going to shut it off and try and put it a little closer. It's tolerable though. So let's just take it on and put it a little bit. There. I made it even closer. Let's see if it rubs too much though. Little rubbing, but nothing unacceptable. I wish that this stayed like that. But it goes into a little speed wobble. Probably eventually gonna screw that up. I don't know. I think closer to the fan, the better it is. Closer, tighter it in, because the more distance it's out, it's going to cause more of a wobble. Anyway, thanks for coming out. It's acceptable. Let's put this thing back together. Well, here it is. Plugged in, a little mess everywhere. That's the noise it's supposed to make. This. Light rattle. Not bad. Good enough. Thanks for coming out. The old rental. Doing pretty good. Still looks pretty good. The place still looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get out. Oh, I changed a big mess. But it still looks pretty good. Nice and quiet. Thanks for coming out.